going to see money account.
Oh no. We don't have any money. We need job.
Next stop, Taco Bell.
Okay. Don't mean to customers.
Welcome to the top. How can I help you?
May I have nachos with salsa and extra cheese?
Okay. Only $500.
But I have $300.
Well, you not get any food. Go out right now.
You are mean to me.
Welcome to the Taco Bell. How can I help you?
May I have cinnamon twist and tacos, please?
I'm sorry, but cinnamon twist it sold out.
No, I can see behind you.
It just a poop. And leave me alone, UFG TV.
You know what? That it. I'm going to different Taco Bell.
Welcome to the top. How can I help you?
May I have large taco?
Okay. Only $300.
Here you go.
Okay. Here your taco. And enjoy.
Hewan is and Rex dangervest. How do you mean customers? That's it. You are fired. Get out right now.
Oh no. We got fired.
Next stop, AMC Theaters.
Okay. Don't mean to customers.
Welcome to AMC Theaters. How can I help you?
May I have to see Click?
I'm sorry. But that movie it rated R.
No. I saw it rated PG-13. Not rated R.
We don't care. Get out right now.
Welcome to AMC Theaters. How may I help you?
May I have to see how to eat fried worms?
I'm sorry. That movie it sold out.
No. I saw postering behind you.
It just a popcorn. Now get out of here.
Welcome to AMC Theaters. How can I help you?
May I have to see Game Plan?
I'm sorry. That movie it sold out.
No. I saw on the menu.
It just a popcorn. Now get out of here. Welcome to AMC Theaters. How may I help you?
May I have to see Harold and Kumar go to White Castle?
Okay. Only $300.
Here you go.
Here your movie. Enjoy. Welcome to AMC Theaters. How can I help you?
May we have to see Daddy Daycare?
Are you too old to see Daddy Daycare?
No. We not old to see Daddy Daycare. Give them to see right now.
No. You are too old to see Daddy Daycare.
If you called them too old to see Daddy Daycare one more time, we going to beat you up.
Old. 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 Old.
You are too old to see Daddy Daycare.
That it. I will beat you all.
I hate you! I hate you! I want my mommy!
That why you called them too old to see Daddy Daycare. We out here.
Hewan is and Rex dangervest. How do you mean customers? That's it. You are fired. Get out right now.
Oh no. We got fired again.
Last stop, GameStop.
Okay. Don't mean to customers.
Welcome to GameStop. How may I help you?
I want an Xbox One.
Okay. Only $300.
But I have $200.
Well, you don't get Xbox One. Leave me the mall.
Welcome to GameStop. How may I help you?
May I have a Nintendo Switch?
I'm sorry, but the game is sold out.
No. I see on the label.
It just a poop. And leave me alone.
Welcome to GameStop. How may I help you?
May I get Roblox toys?
Okay. Only $500.
Here you go.
Here you game. Enjoy.
Welcome to GameStop. How may I help you?
May I have PlayStation 4?
Are you too old to get PlayStation 4?
No. I'm not too old to get PlayStation 4. Give me right now.
No. You are too old to get PlayStation 4.
If you call me I too old to get PlayStation 4, I will beat you all.
Old. 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 You are too old to get PlayStation 4.
That it. You heard it. I will beat you up.
I hate you! I hate you! I want my mommy!
That's why I too old to get PlayStation 4. I get out here.
Hewan is and Rex dangervest. How do you mean customers? That's it. You are fired. Get out right now.
Rex dangervest. How dare you get fired at 3 placed?
That's it. You grounded for life. Go to your room right now.
Hewan gizaw. How dare you get fired at 3 placed?
That it. You grounded for life.
Go to your room right now.